Oh, di ba nga na-copyright yung live? Never doing that again. Na-copyright. Girl, na-copyright. Mali. Maling mali. Mali. Na-copyright. Na-copyright tayo, girl. Ayaw niya. Ayaw ni Taylor Swift. Happy birthday sa mga may birthday. Girl, like, mali. Mali. Kinopyright tayo yung Taylor, girl. Wag na daw ako makinig sa The Manuscript. Masaya naman na daw ako ngayon. Annie! Wrong move ko, Rick. Wrong move nga. Haha, nagulat ako. I thought na block na ako laro. What if? Para mag-overthink ka, what if? Wait nga, sige. Basta yung... Search ko na lang yung lyrics, but there's a specific lyric from The Manuscript that I really like. Ano nga ba yun? Oh my god, wait. Ay, nalagpasan pala. Lol. Basta favorite ko yung he said that if the sex was half as good as the conversation was, soon they'd be pushing strollers, but soon it was over. Like, basta pag-isipan nyo kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Tagus, girl. Do you consider yourself a fan fave? If not, I think our fan favorite is definitely Yudi Pota. I mean, in terms of like statistic, social media growth, Yudi really like skyrocketed her socials. So I'd consider Yudi to be the fan favorite. Me, will you go sa Olongapo? If I get booked for a show in Olongapo, I would love to. Mga bebe, the way that drag shows work is we go to places where we're booked at. So if walang producer or event doon na gagawa ng show, tapos kukunin kami to go there, it's hard to magkusang loob na pumunta lang doon mag-set up ng show. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman kami taga doon sa lugar, hindi naman namin alam kung paano yung scene doon, kung paano yung industry doon. So, yeah. Like, basta, ayun, I would love to go anywhere that I get booked at. Gcash? Okay, wait. Thank you for reminding me. Oh my god, ang tagal ko na naka-live kanina. Hindi pa ako nakapag-Gcash or something. There it is. Lo-fi nonsense, yes. I love playing lo-fi songs pag naka-live because hindi sila nakaka-copyright and like, good vibes. Every month sun goes down. Sounds like blah blah blah. My favorite number is 3 or 8 or 38 because that's my birthday. Attend ka pa DragCon UK on January? I would love to. Syempre, mag-a-apply pa ako ng visa, mag-iipon pa ako for it, but that's definitely in one of my goals to get to go to DragCon UK. Shout out sa'yo, JP Jessiel. Tulog ka na. Go. Charis. I love your Perio look. It's giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. That definitely was like a subconscious inspiration for that look. Next favorite ka ng mom ko sa DR page. Sabihin mo sa mama favorite ko rin siya. Charis. I love corn. Hindi na pakita yung brand because we're not sponsored. But if they're willing to sponsor me, let's go. Corn. I'm also eating a salad that already has corn, but I love corn, so. This is from Great Greens. It's one of my favorite salad restaurants sa Grab dito sa Marikina. Napin ko as moderator, tanga. Unpin. I love corn sounded like something else. Well, I love that too. Charot. Fave Espa song, syempre, Supernova. I'm not the biggest Espa fan. I like their songs, pero hindi ako like super fan ng group. Not that I hate the group, it's just that hindi ko pina-follow yung group religiously. Parang natutunan ko lang yung mga pangalan nila kasi paulit-ulit ko sila nakikita, pero parang hindi ako like, oh my god, Espa stan. More like, I like some of their songs. Puro mix na sagot ko sa quiz kanina, mali yan, girl. Sumagot ka ng tama. Mag-aaral lang mabuti. Hoy. Magtapos ng pag-aaral. Nagtapos ako ng pag-aaral ko. Nawala Gcash. Oh, go. Kala nyo naman nagpapalog kayo. Char. Mix excited na ako mapanood ko sa episode 5 lagi ng Pasabog Girl. Basta, stream nyo ng legal yung episodes namin, ha? Do you know New Jeans? Yes, I love New Jeans. New Jeans is one of the groups that I do stan, I do follow. No program music college. I said it kanina, Bachelor of Fine Arts Information Design, Bachelor of Fine Arts Theater Arts. Pa-wave po sa kakilala ko na nanonood din. Nanonood ba siya? Hindi ko siya right now. Teka nga lang. Tingnan nga natin. Uy, hi sa'yo. Oh, in fairness, may nagpaalog sa Gcash. Thank you so much na nagpaalog sa Gcash. Ano rin yan? Pang-sustento din ng salad addiction ko yan. Ano masasabi mo sa hate train towards J Queen? Not right. It's not right. I mean, you can dislike, you can have feelings, you can dislike the way someone is depicted on the show. Pero tandaan nyo kasi, in one episode, you only get an hour. Diba? You only get an hour. But we film for how many hours? Including the parang, the day or days or however many days it takes to film an episode, we film for that long. Plus, we film hours of confessional footage for that single episode. So, ang daming tao nagsasabi, blame it on the edit, ganyan. Pero kasi, a person is not, kumbaga parang kung ano yung pinipili nilang ipakita sa episode, a person is not like that 24/7. Parang alam mo yon, may mga nobody's perfect. Some person can exhibit bad traits at some times in the day, and then at some times they can be very good, very kind, very generous. Pero in terms of telling the storyline kasi of the show, we only get 1 hour, so they have to kind of focus on a certain aspect of that person that day. Parang, girl, ako so far, each episode, parang iba-iba yung personality ko, ganyan. So, ayun, parang, you're allowed to have feelings about the way a person is depicted on the show, but don't assume that that is how they are 24/7. Yun lang yung... So, given that logic, huwag nyo siyang... Ang unnecessary na, ang OA na nung pag-hate nyo on somebody, like, to feel the need to like constantly spam their notifications on social media with hate. That's just too much. Imagine being on the receiving end of that. Kayo rin naman, hindi nyo rin magugustuhan yun. Parang, you signed up for this, you signed up for the show, ganyan. But does that mean we have to continue to encourage it? Does that mean we have to continue to tolerate it? And medyo parang, girl, it's just, hating is not cute. Hating a person based on what you see on an hour television show is not cute. Yun lang. That's it. Also, yes, girl, being in the competition setting, one of the most stressful things I've gone through in my entire life. Like, oh my god, thank you so much sa mga nagpapadala ng Gcash. Did not expect. Honestly, like, sinabi nyo lang lagay ko yan, so lagay ko yan. But so, thank you so much sa mga nagpapadala sa Gcash. Like, y'all don't know how far that support goes kahit magkano pa yan. Like, it buys me salads. Tara, may moderator ng Mima. Pag active ang... Minsan lang ano yan, Miss Chai. Ano yan, handler ko yan. So, whenever she's free, she is here on my lives. And ngayon, may free time siya para mag-moderate. So, lagot kayo. Charis. Hindi ko nga jawa si Boss Rufo. Tigil-tigilan niyo ako. Be. Wish mami, never ako nakaramdam ng libog kay Boss Rufo. Kung kayo napapugiin ko kayo sa kanya, give ko naman. Like, Siyempre, friend ako yan, give ko yan, paugi yan, go. Pero hindi ako nakaramdam ng libog dyan, tigil-tigilan nyo yan. Tignan nyo. Hindi ba every week yung filming Okay, see, exactly. A lot of y'all are talking about the show not knowing how it's made. And hindi ko naman sinasabing kailangan general knowledge yun, but the show was filmed a month ago. The entire season was filmed not a month ago. The entire 10 episodes that we're gonna get has already been filmed months ago. So lahat naman nakikita yung conflicts on the show, matagal nang tapos yan sa amin. Matagal nang napag-usapan namin yan as a cast. So like, alam mo yun, you're reacting to something that was how many months ago na? So, gets. Ayun. Yun lang, parang hindi siya weekly film. We were locked in for a certain period to film all of the episodes. And it's done. The show is done. I will not be giving you spoilers. I have an NDA that neither you nor me can afford to pay for if I violate it. If you want spoilers, puntahan yung mga spoilers online, pero maraming mali. Just putting that out there. Maraming mali sa spoilers. You are blocked. Thank you. Anyway, yung main stage ba and yung workroom attached? No, they're not. I don't know kung gaano, how much of that I can say kung paano yung studio setup namin, but pretty similar to kung paano yung nakikita sa Drag Race US na the workroom is a different studio than the main stage. Some local queens you wanna see on Drag Race Philippines Season 4, of course. Ang ibibida ko dyan is from my drag family, from my drag house, Regina Gorge. I think Regina Gorge is ripe and ready for in terms of her drag to compete. I would love to see Felicia Ding, kapatid ni Zimba Ding. Felicia is a really, really good performer, strong performer. Who else? Tyra Revlon. I would love to see Tyra Revlon in a future season. I wouldn't necessarily say 4, pero kung kailan man ready si Tyra Revlon, I would love to see Tyra Revlon compete. Martha Amethyst, Andy Crocker, Gorgeous Dawn. Maraming local. I am first and foremost a drag fan. Like, before everything else, I'm a big fan of drag, and I'm a big fan of local drag, and I, on a normal day, don't see any of these girls. Not even during the Basta parang on a normal day, I don't see these girls as a competition. I cheer for my sisters that I think deserve to be cheered for. Emperadora! Yun, Emperadora din. I would love to see Emperadora. Halos sabay kami nag-start ni Emperadora doing drag sa Drag Playhouse Zoom parties once upon a time. Ayun. Basta, I'm a big fan of drag. I'm a big fan of local drag. And I'm here to support and applaud and cheer for who I think needs to be and deserves to be cheered for. I don't see people on a normal day as competition. Like, girl, there's enough spotlight for all of us. And bigayan lang yan. Minsan ikaw yung sikat, minsan hindi. And that's fine. That's just how things go. Just, one of my philosophies in life is applaud for the people that deserve the applauding in this moment. Para pag moment mo na, pinapalakpakan ka din. Manza! Yes! Oh my God, Manza. Oh my God, girl. 2 tourist destination ng Pilipinas yan si Manza. Will there be an All-Stars before Season 4? I can't confirm nor deny. I don't know what their plan is for All-Stars. I don't know if like fully greenlit na, fully confirmed na ang All-Star season. Si Trina, yes! Oh my God, si Trina. So once upon a time, I joined a competition nung pandemic 2020. I won Spotlight by Spaces Manila, powered by Love Yourself. I won that first season. My first runner-up was si Trina, and I've loved si Trina ever since. Like, si Trina is a really talented performer. I think si Trina is just waiting for the right age. Kasi, hindi pa 21 si Bakla, kaya alam ko hindi pa siya nakakapag-audition. In terms of Pop Marts, I think the top one I'm collecting is Molly. I love Molly. Except yung spacesuit collection Molly. I'm not the biggest fan. But I love Molly. I love Baby Molly. I love OIPP. And I do collect a little bit of Hirono. Pero mostly right now, ang priority ko in terms of collecting is Molly and OIPP. Anyway, it's 10:47. I started around 10:45 before tayo ng copyright. So I think I'm going to say goodbye for tonight, and it's also getting a little late. So, good night everyone. Matulog na kayo kung may pasok pa kayo bukas, or kung I think maraming suspended. So kung suspended, Eddie go. Eddie good for you. But kung may pasok pa kayo bukas, ayun, yeah, that's it. I think that's pretty much it for tonight's Mix Monday. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. I'll see you guys really soon, and please don't forget to watch episode 5 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3 on Wednesday, and support the girls, support all of the girls, don't send hate to any of the girls, support our merch. That's like one of the best ways to support us. Pero kung hindi, edi like just give a like, share our content, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!